Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How long to cook chicken in the pressure cooker? Boneless chicken breasts and thighs cook in the same amount of time. Just 10 minutes at high pressure will do it. Just be sure to arrange the meat in a single, even layer in the pot, as it cooks more evenly that way. It should reach about halfway up the chicken.
Take our lead.
Instructions. Arrange chicken breasts in pressure cooker. Add water. Seal the lid and cook under high pressure for 8 minutes. Use quick release once chicken has cooked. If cooking from frozen, cook for 10 minutes under high pressure and use the quick release method.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The fact is that the science shows pressure cooking is healthy, that it can preserve more heat-sensitive nutrients than any other cooking method because of its shorter cook times. The fact is that the difference it creates in the boiling point of water is well within the range of a normal difference on this planet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.